ChatGPT Cheat Sheet. 5 Top Prompts for Making Money Now. If you're eager to start making money now, you've landed on the right page. I'm going to share the power of the ChatGPT Cheat Sheet with you. 1. Track down unclaimed money, US tested. Unclaimed funds in your name can be tracked down using ChatGPT 4 and OpenAI plugins, at least in the United States. ChatGPT 4's web browser add-on allows you to search for unclaimed money owed by businesses and government organizations in real time. 2. Start a cover letter and resume writing business. Offering resume writing services is an excellent method to bring in additional cash since most people want their CVs to stand out. You may earn money by modifying resumes and cover letters for different customers using ChatGPT. 3. Start a blog. Starting a blog can be an exciting way to express your interests while earning some income. The key to a successful and profitable blog is finding the right niche, conducting proper research, and understanding micro-niches. 4. Become a professional translator. Using ChatGPT, you can provide translations more efficiently than ever. Like a ChatGPT cheat sheet, you may save time and effort with this translation tool. 5. Use AI art generators. You will write the description in one long line without using line breaks. Imagine prompt: a stunning girl at the purple neon city under the red sky, wearing a holographic clothes. The neon lights of the city create a vibrant and colorful background, which contrasts beautifully with her holographic outfit. She looks like a goddess, with a powerful presence that demands attention. Remember, folks, the ChatGPT cheat sheet isn't a genie's lamp but the next best thing. It's a tool that empowers you to start making money now with a bit of wit and ambition. For more details, check the link in the description.
That's it, folks. If you're eager to get rich now, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for daily money-making guides. We're here to support your journey to wealth. Don't forget to click the link in the description to access an exclusive detailed post on GetRichNow.com. It's time to level up your financial game. Join us, and let's get rich together.